What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode we're going to check out 5 apartments in 3 different apartment buildings. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to fight with AVSE. Make people live through, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on my trip out. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Alright, so I'm making this part a little bit after I actually visited the apartments. When I viewed the apartments, I just filmed walking through, so I'm going to explain them now. So the first place I went to was a really nice building, but it was about 1.5 kilometers away from my perfect area I wanted. But it includes a gym and a pool and a sauna, and it had a nice view from the rooftop. So let's check out the first one.
We need the painting again, and
Okay.
we change the sofa and mattress.
Wow.
This is the one that
So this first one is one that it's not the one I saw in the picture. What brought me to this building was one of the units, and they were like, "We'll show you this other one first, and then the one you saw in the picture." The next place was the one I actually saw in the picture, and going into this day where I'm viewing all these apartments, I thought that this was going to be the one I would end up choosing.
you see the same picture.
Yeah. Ooh. Great view. So yeah, going by just the pictures and the listings, I thought that this was going to be the place, but it's not the one I ended up choosing. So next they asked me, do I want to go up to the top and see the pool and the gym, and there's a lounge chilling area where you can see a whole view from up top, and I said, yeah, well, I'm here, let's go up and check it out.
This is the pool.
Wow. Wow, that's a good view up here. So yeah, very nice rooftop area, but I didn't get a good gut feeling walking through each apartment. And also, like, the area itself is not very great. It's right next to a very major road. You'd almost call it a highway. And there's not much little walking streets around close by. You're like a kilometer away on a really big road, like a highway almost. And I don't drive a motorbike, I'm mostly on foot all the time. And so it just didn't feel great. And then you looked out the window in the apartment and it was like a dirt lot out there. So let's go check out the next one. And the building itself from the outside, I felt like, oh, this is like not a great neighborhood kind of thing. It looks kind of seedy a little bit. Okay. If this was like a year ago or 2 years, a year and a half ago, and I was working close to there, I would have taken this place for sure. So yeah, great apartment, but it wasn't exactly what I'm looking for this time. Let's go check out the next one. All right, so this building is in the Russian market area, and it's actually like exactly the area I wanted. Like if you had to put a pinpoint and then make a 1.5 kilometer radius around that pinpoint, this building is the pinpoint. It's like right in the center of where I wanted to be. And we get up there, and same thing, they had 2 units. One that was the one I was inquiring about, and then they're like, while you're here, we have another one like across the hall as well if you want to see both. So she showed me the other one first. And it's 2-bedroom. And she was saying, because I'm by myself, it's usually $450, but she could do $400 if I want that one. Wow. In the bedroom, they have these windows in the corner that give you almost a slight half panoramic view because the windows wrap around the corner. But in this one we're looking in now, they don't completely keep going. It's kind of just 1.5 panels of panoramic. And I remembered that the one I really came to see has way more windows in a row that go all the way completely surrounding that corner. So we'll go take a look at that one now and you can compare and you'll see what I mean. All right. All right, so this is the one I actually came here for, and it was listed at $400 and I was planning to try to haggle them. And this is the apartment I ended up taking. I put a deposit on this one and they gave it to me for $350, and it's so huge. That's what I loved about it. Looking at these apartments, I'm always thinking, where could I make a little work desk for myself and all that? And look in the corner, there's all the windows like I told you, and this is where I'm gonna set up my desk and everything like that so I can look out and see this view. This is nice. Wow.
Bathroom.
It's big too. Okay. There's a water machine too, which is great because normally you can't drink the tap water here, but that has a water line going into it and it's filtered. And you know, you have to more imagine, what can I do with this place? I'm going to move things a little bit around. I'm going to get a couple rugs, maybe one more couch. See if you have people over, you don't have to fit like 5 people squishing into one couch. Maybe move the single armchair into the bedroom, or you know, put some Khmer paintings up on the walls and stuff like that. Get it decorated more. So you got to more imagine. Wow, imagine what you could do with this place. All right, that's gonna do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, and until next time, remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.